All right, thanks for tuning in to Leading Forecast. So quite a bit going on, so we'll get over to it. Taking a look, this is the current satellite image, and you can see we do have some showers and thunderstorms going on down here. We'll talk a little bit about more of those here more in just a second. We do have, this is the front starting to come through here, and there's some showers and thunderstorm activity along this, and then of course our tropical storm spinning off the Carolina coast down here in the south. East. Going on over the current visible satellite, and you can see there's those showers and thunderstorms going out here. More showers and thunderstorms developing along the head of the front. And we'll go a little closer in. Here's the current radar analysis. And see, there's your rain here and some showers and thunderstorms there. Severe thunderstorm watch has been issued, basically Amarillo over towards Albuquerque and Santa Fe in New Mexico. Damaging winds, maybe some small hail will be your main risk out of this. Going on over, this is Tropical Storm Alberto right now. It is at 30.4 north, 78.8 west, an estimated wind speed of 40 miles per hour, moving east at 7 miles per hour. And it doesn't look like we're going to have any major effects from this, unless it's going to be up here with some rain showers. We did have some rain showers along the Georgia and South Carolina coast yesterday from this. And here's your satellite image, and you can see this thing. There's your center of circulation right there, really spinning up, and a lot of your rain showers going on through here. Going on over severe weather risk today, that slight risk back here where there is a severe thunderstorm watch, and then we do have a risk out here along ahead of this front, and then another risk up towards Montana and Idaho. Tomorrow, slight risk across the northern plains here. In fact, a better risk across the North Dakota area here. That's where we'll see our best potential in the day 3 outlook. A C-text out across this area. And then the day 4, we don't have anything actually. This is still the day 3. But eventually, I think as we get in towards the late week into the weekend, we're probably going to see somewhere in this area here, well, maybe that whole area being highlighted, over the course of 2 or 3 days from, Thursday, Friday through maybe Monday or Tuesday. We'll just have to wait and see. Still a long ways out. Let's go on over to the forecast models. This is the 500 millibar pattern. This is as we get into tomorrow afternoon. This is the trough that's building in, and you can see the high pressure ridge that's building in on the east coast here. As we get into skipping ahead to Friday, here comes this big trough starting to build in. 500 millibar low out across the western portion of the United States, and that's going to be our primary focus as we do get into Saturday. Here's your big trough coming in, high pressure system here, and that's going to help transfer some warm moist air into the plains this weekend. As we get into Sunday, we start to lose the digging in of the trough, and then as we get on into next week, it moves out when we have a little bit of a dip down across the eastern portion of the United States, but not a lot of momentum. Quickly going on over to the GFS. This is the 100 or 1,500 thickness. This is on the 22nd. Here's your low pressure center sitting here. This is tomorrow. Front trying to drag down. Probably won't see too much going on south of the front, but up here along this warm front, that's where we could see some severe weather tomorrow afternoon as we get into the 23rd. Here comes your low starting to come across the southern plains here, dragging a dry line with it. This is where we could start to see severe weather. As we get into Thursday, this low comes out. We get a new low that develops out across the Texas panhandle up across the southeastern Colorado area. And as we get into Saturday, your low comes up here. Some very interesting dynamics starting to come into play on Saturday out across the Nebraska area. And then as we get into Sunday, this low moves up, and then here comes a new one coming in. And again, we may still have more severe weather breaking out across the Nebraska area, or even up into Minnesota and Iowa on Sunday. So that's really all we have now. We'll keep a close eye on this and early start to the hurricane season. Until next time, this is Leading Forecast.